Hey guys, look what I got in the mail today. I'm going to be doing my first mod on my brand new 2021 Tacoma. Here it is right here. Eventually I'll be doing a video on this truck, showing you guys some of the cool features it has and what's new for the 2021 year. I've already installed window tint. It is a little dirty because I did take it off-roading, but something that this truck lacks is the blackout badging. So I ordered these off of Amazon. These cost 32 bucks, fairly inexpensive. The most inexpensive way to really change the look of your truck. So these are not necessarily emblems, they're actually overlays. So pretty much this will stick right over the badge. It's a very, very simple job. It only takes pretty much just 5 minutes. So let's get right into it. So all you need for this job is really just some rubbing alcohol, cotton balls, and a paper towel to really get this all cleaned up. Only thing left to do is to peel the backing off and just stick this on. Look at that. Looks very nice, makes a huge difference on the truck. In my opinion, black on white looks so good. All that's left to do is to do the other side and the V6 badge. That pretty much completes the install. As you can see here, got that V6 badge and also this badge right here. So I am changing my route a little bit on my videos. I am going to be trying this vlog kind of thing, and I'll be doing more videos on this truck right here, along with dirt bike videos, UTV stuff, and the Cummins over there. If this video was helpful, feel free to leave a like. Hope you guys have a nice day. I'll see you in the next one.